Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you are all doing good. Stay home, stay safe, take good care of yourselves. And while you're sitting at home, you all must be trying out a lot of recipes, I'm sure. And sometime back I showed you some healthy ragi cookies. Did you try them out by any chance? Even today I'm showing you a recipe of another healthy crackers. They are made with whole wheat flour and olive oil, so definitely healthy ones. And these are spicy crackers, a treat for those who love spicy snacks. So let's proceed to make these spicy whole wheat crackers. We have taken about 1 cup whole wheat flour. We'll be requiring 5 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi, salt to taste, half teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper, quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, red chili flakes, half teaspoon of coarsely crushed cumin seeds. You can even add ajwain or carom seeds in winter, but we don't use them in summer. Now take the flour in a broad platter or a mixing bowl. Mix the Kasoori methi. Kasoori methi is dry fenugreek leaves. Crushed black pepper. All the ingredients can be adjusted as per your liking. Chili flakes. Next we add crushed cumin seeds, as much as you like. Salt to taste. Now mix all these ingredients together. Mix them very well. Add the oil. We'll be adding it little at a time while we are mixing. Mix it well so that all the ingredients, spices get mixed very well. Add little more oil. The quantity of oil seems to be okay. The tip how to know is when you are mixing it, take a small amount and press it in your fist. When it becomes a lump like this, then the oil is sufficient. Check for the salt. At this stage you can add if you require more. Now we are going to knead the dough with warm water. Add little by little. Doesn't require too much water. Adding spoonfuls at a time, knead it into a nice and stiff dough. The crackers come out nice and crispy. The dough is stiff. When you make a soft dough, it doesn't come out as crispier. Now gather the dough, cover it with a cloth and set it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now clean the kitchen platform well because we are going to roll on it. Wipe it very nicely. The surface should be clean. Now here the dough has rested for half an hour. Pour some oil and spread with a brush on the surface. Now using a rolling pin, roll it out. roll it into a rectangular shape so that we won't be wasting much dough. Easy to cut out the crackers. Gathering at the edges, continue to roll. Now here we have rolled out the dough evenly. All the edges should be properly rolled out. Now here I am using a plastic mesh that we get on the bottles, liquor bottles or juice bottles, to give a nice design on top. You can skip this step if you don't have it. Placing it on top of the rolled dough, just roll out with a rolling pin. You can see the nice design on the surface. Now we are going to cut the crackers. Using a cutter, first trim out the edges. Here I am using a zigzag cutter. You can use any pizza cutter also. Now cut it out into the desired shape and size. Rectangles or squares or diamond shape, whatever you like. This portion you can make about 20 to 24 crackers depending on the size. Here now I am separating each cracker and placing it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper, or you can also line it with a silicone mat. Place all the crackers on the baking tray. Here the crackers are ready to be baked. Spicy masala crackers. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees C for about 18 to 20 minutes, turning the side once in between. The time and temperature may vary depending on the oven size and type of the oven. Here the spicy crackers are ready to be served. It makes an excellent tea time snack, especially for those who love spicy snacks. So friends, do make and enjoy them. The delicious and crunchy masala crackers. Check out these videos also, you may like them.